Greetings travelers! On this video, we want to represent to you our top choice of place to go to while in Bern, Switzerland. Are you new to this channel? We would like to greet you welcome. And if you are our regular subscriber, we would like to greet you welcome back. Please make sure to like and subscribe and leave a comment on the comment section and give us a big thumbs up. And make sure to check our other video reference on the link above. Now without further ado, our number one topic or place to go to when in Bern will be the Bear Pit. The Bear Pit is a tourism attraction in Bern. It is an enclosure that houses bears, situated at the eastern edge of the old city of Bern. Although still in use, the Bern has been supplemented since 2009 by the adjacent Bern Park, a larger and more natural enclosure alongside the river arm. The Bern and Bern Park are administered as a geographically discrete part of the city, the Zoo. Bern is a Swiss heritage site of national significance and is of particular significance in Bern because the bear is a symbol of both the city and surrounding canton and is featured in their coat of arms. Our number two of top choice to visit in Bern will be the Sensorium Museum. The sensible experience, excursion for the whole family. The Sensorium is all about activating sensory perception. At 80 experience station, visitors perform action to hear, see, smell, and taste both the familiar and the unfamiliar. Sounds, colors, vibrations, fragrance, light, and dark will astonish you and allow you to explore the laws of nature. You can also enjoy your own picnic from home in the Sensorium bistro, and the restaurant in the same building will delight you with varied tasty dishes. The museum staff are particularly helpful, and the place does its best to allow as much hands-on experience. While you are there, do try the Hall of Mirrors. Our top three or place to go to while in Bern will be the thrift shop for vintage items. The first one is buynerbrockie.ch, professionally run collection boutique of vintage items. Do find out more about them as well and their collection on their Instagram. If furniture is what you are looking for, then this place is where you want to be. Renoli.ch for furniture and vintage items from 1960s to 1970s. Contact the email and look for Oliver. Another thrift store in a pink building. You can find various things from trinkets to furniture. The following is the website link and the Facebook link. The biggest warehouse will be a kiosk second-hand shop. The following is the contact of the management, their phone number, and the email. In the shop, you can find 1960s furniture and everything else. For vintage furniture, second-hand clothing, and carpets, go to platanenweg1.ch. The followings are their contact. Their email is info@platanenweg1.ch. Our number four of top place to go to while in Bern will be the Parliament Building, the Federal Palace, referred to the building in Bern, housing the Swiss Federal Assembly and the Federal Council. It has a total length of more than 300 meters, consisting of a central assembly building and two wings housing government departments and a library. Our top five place or place to go to while in Bern will be the Ulmisberg, the 95-meter high Ulmis Tower, on the tower for directional radio, mobile radio, and for distribution of DAB radio program. Viewing platform 68 step lead to a viewing platform at height of 13.5 meters. The platform offers a view of the community of Konis, Kersats, Wald, Bern, as well as Jura. The tower can be reached from Oberulmis in around 20 minutes. I hope you have enjoyed watching this video as much as we have enjoyed making it. Please check out as well our other videos and our Instagram scenic.geek. Until next time.